Asif, how did you like the workshop? I mean, was it value added?
Excellent.
Got some insights?
100% it is valuable.
Thank you
And I
so
was the
much.
person. I was the person who has given you advice that I would like to give a testimonial once we have one-to-one on this. So
Absolutely,
very
I'm going
good
to take your
testimonial.
testimony.
So that it will be really beneficial for others people in India, because we are growing and we wanted to be a number one in the like global, you know. So this will really become very useful for all the people who wanted to explore in manufacturing in raising the funds specifically. So thanks to you, you are doing a very good job, buddy.
Thank you so much, Asif. That is really motivating because that will also help me keep motivated to organize more such workshops.
Perfect.
Thank you, Asif. We'll meet you soon.
Thank you.
Inshallah.
Perfect.
Mubarak
Yes,
to
sir.
you. Bye.
Thank you once again.